If your dog's anything like mine, they deserve a spot that's soft, cozy, and totally theirs. This Bedsure dog bed is my go-to. It's super thick and comfy, so they can stretch out or curl up for hours. The fleece top is soft like a blanket, and it keeps its shape even after months of naps. Best part, when it gets dirty, I just unzip the cover, throw it in the wash, and it's good as new. It doesn't slide around either, so it's perfect in crates or right in the living room. I've put the link in the description. Grab one today and watch your pup fall in love with it.